Fixtures are a great way to get detailed and accurate results, but if you are doing a concept design where you don't need to go very, very detailed, we'd recommend using the nodes, which are covered in a different video. But if you do want to add the fixtures, we've got a range in this drop-down menu here. If there's something on the list that you can't see and you'd like to add, in the nodes here, you can create this fixture node, and that will snap to the nearest pipe. So for example, if we had a future fit out over here, or it was just a fixture that doesn't exist, give it a name, enter in the fixture units or loading units, and yeah, it will contribute to your design calculations. But for fixtures that we do have, choose it from the drop-down menu. You can rotate that with the arrows on your keyboard, and then stamp it on top of where the architect has shown it. If you hover over a fixture, it will bring up this black line, so to get them all neatly aligned, you can do that. I'll just do two because there's two ways to connect them up. One way is to manually draw the pipe, so you can hover over it, click and connect to the nearest pipe. As that cap disappears, you know you've connected to it. Another way is to let the software do the connection. So you can click on the fixture, hold Control, click on the pipe you want to connect to, or alternatively right click, keep hold of it and drag a box over the two things you want to connect, and then click Auto Connect, and it'll run that pipe in the most efficient route it thinks possible. Connecting two fixtures such as basins or lavatory sinks, where they have a warm water connection, is a little bit more difficult. So we'll look at two examples here. Because it requires warm water, it doesn't let you connect hot straight to it. As we can see here, as we hover over this, that cap doesn't disappear. If we want to change that, in the fixtures properties, allow the systems to connect for warm water, it'll turn that cap from orange to grey. And now as we try and connect hot water, hover over it once again, you can see that cap disappears. And now we'll connect the cold water up, just like that. Alternatively, if you do want to keep it as warm, we've got TMVs or tempering valves, so they snap to the nearest pipes. And if you want to, you can start connecting this up. However, once again, you can do auto connect. The pipes aren't always straight, especially in tight situations, and it can be difficult to drag things. So if you want to be really accurate, just draw the pipes. If you're happy with that, because your calculations are as accurate as they need to be, then yeah, that's a great option.